What does Serena Williams really think of Meghan Markle?
It's a kind of magic.
Hi everybody. For this video, we are going to look behind the scenes and see the true feelings of Serena Williams about Meghan Markle. And there's a lot of people saying that there's so many celebrities that hate Meghan Markle. But anyway, we're going to see about Serena Williams for this video. So I'm using Daniel, and let's just clear the air here. Okay, what does Serena Williams actually think about Meghan Markle? Please, can you spell it out for us? What does she actually think about Meghan Markle now? Is that a B? What does Serena Williams think of Meghan Markle? It looks like an I. Let's get you swinging here. Next, please. Next letter. What does she think of Meghan Markle, please? Well, it looks like it's heading for a T, but we'll see. Okay, is that a T? And, oh, yeah. I think we know what that word is. That's a C. Okay. Why? Why does she think that Meghan Markle is a B-I-T-C? Why? What happened? Did they have a falling out? Did they fall out with each other? And did they have a fight, an argument? What happened? And that is going to yes. Okay. About what? What did they have a falling out about? Is that a P? Okay. A. Or P-A-R. Is that a T? N. Are you saying partner? That's going to yes. I don't know. I guess Serena Williams is married. Was it about her partner, or was it about being in a partnership or something? Was it her partner? Were they ever? It says yes. Okay. Were they ever close? No. Was it just for the cameras? No. Was it for to support Meghan or what? And that's going to yes. So, uh, was this because they have the same? They had the same. Um, what do you call it? Agent or what? And it looks like that's going to yes. Okay. Uh, so the reason we're all asking as well is because of that Instagram where I want to know about that Instagram where Serena Williams got the chocolate and all that from Meghan Markle. Did that make her angry or what? And well, that's going to yes. Because she looked like she threw it away and then opened it back up and said she. It looks like she did, yeah. um, and she said she doesn't like chocolate. No. So yeah, she the thing that she posted anyway. How did Meghan Markle feel about that? Just have a look. How did she feel about that? So, in how did Meghan Markle feel about Serena's Williams video is going to know. Please spell it out for us. We want to know because we're nosy. How did Meghan Markle feel about her that video? Because it didn't look great. um, was that is that an A? A is that an R? Is it R-A? Okay. What's the next letter, please? O G. Oh wow. Is that an I? N. Well, it looks like it's gonna say raging, but I don't know. Are you saying she was raging mad about it? And it looks like it's going to yes. So Serena done with her? Yep. Oh wow. Okay. So I guess that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you all. Please hit that like button, the subscribe, and the hype. And until next time, thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.